Hello! Today in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50i Prime smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate the top 5 pro tips and features on this device. The first feature is located at the security category of settings, so let's enter it. It is called the Face Unlock, and it allows you to make it so that you will be able to unlock the display of your smartphone with your own face. Already, so prior to enrolling it, it is required that we have some kind of the backup screen lock method from the list of pattern, pin or password. I'll go with pattern myself, enter the pattern that I would like to use and then confirm it. Now I gotta choose what notification content should be visible at the lock screen. I'll just go with the show all notification content option, agree to all the terms, and in here we can start setting up the face unlock. All that you need to do is to place your face inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen. Alrighty, so I have enrolled my face successfully. Now let's test it out. As you can see, the screen unlocks once I align my face with the selfie camera without any issues at all. Alrighty, the next feature that we would like to highlight in this video is located right below the face unlock, and it's called the smart lock. So it allows you to set up some certain scenarios for your screen not to be locked while your phone is with you on body, when it is near any trusted places or near any trusted devices. So let's turn on the on body detection, as well as add some trusted place. I'll drop the location pin somewhere here, for example. Select this location, tap on OK, and as you can see, it will now be always unlocked near the location we have just set it as our trusted place. And finally, there is this trusted devices section. Simply connect any Bluetooth external device like smartwatches or probably earbuds to your smartphone, and in here you'll be able to add them. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature that is located at the display category of settings, and it is called the dark theme. And once activated, it makes the interface colors darker, moves everything into a more darker side when it comes to colors. So what this mode is really cool for is that it's for well, first of all, conserving and preserving the power left, the battery health left, as well as by looking at the less bright screen, at the less bright display. Therefore, interface, your eyes are getting significantly less tired. And there is also the schedule option that allows us to set up some custom schedule for this mode to be activated and deactivated respectively. The next feature is located right below the dark theme, and it's called the night light. And as you can see, once we turn it on, basically it tints our screen amber, filters out the excess amounts of blue light, therefore also reduces the eye fatigue significantly. So in here there is the same schedule option that we had for the dark mode, dark theme. So basically if you feel like your eyes are getting immensely or very strongly tired, and you feel a very significant eye fatigue from using the display of your smartphone, those two modes is the way to go. And the fifth and final tip, a very small one I should say, is located at the battery category. So let's enter it, and it is this very small yet cool toggle that is called battery percentage. And once activated, as you can see right here at the right half of the status bar, it will display the left battery power in percents, just like so. So if you would like for your battery percentage to be visible at the status bar, simply go ahead and turn this toggle on. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.